Jeeva is innovating and reinventing clinical trials to deliver truly inclusive and efficient clinical trials of the next generation for the AI era in building a new tech infrastructure and addressing nagging and fundamental core challenges that have kept clinical trials less efficient in terms of timing, cost, delays, but also including women that we are here to talk about today. I've been involved in clinical trials with NIH, FDA, and big pharma consulting over throughout my career, coming from a computational biology PhD background. But also personally, I got touched and got a purpose with one of my child born with a rare congenital disease in 2012. She only lived 4 days in the NICU. But she gave me a purpose before she left us all. And I have been following that trail since 2012. So essentially, we see two major categories of inefficiencies or technology component, right? So when we look at engaging women and other underserved populations in clinical trials, regulatory played a big role in the 1990s when NIH Revitalization Act started and encouraged inclusion of women in clinical trials, despite some concerns around biology, hormonal activity, maternal and pregnancy-related aspects that are unique to women. Taking these hormonal and other biological considerations in the trial design, those all have to come together. And so having this unified versus fragmented and having streamlined, thoughtfully designed approaches, think of Dick's Sporting Goods versus Target, right? So can we create a Target-like experience for women in clinical trials? The next is there is a lot of variability in symptoms and being able to track those symptoms and capture them through patient diaries, patient-reported outcomes, and longitudinal tracking, including any biological cycles and hormonal activity that might be relevant in certain studies, but not all. Those also can be captured through sending a quick text message with a link to a patient diary, symptom tracker, medication tracker, and patient-reported outcomes.